approach, I already discussed brute force approach. So now code for optimal approach. In this, I am going to solve the problem in big of n, and in the brute force, I used to solve in big of n square. So that's it. Uh, just compute the size of an array, and after computing the size, I am going to for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, not n minus 1. Why n minus 1? You will understand just after a couple of seconds. I plus plus and all done for int for not for if arr of I, not arr, it's the habit babes. Nums of I is greater than nums of I plus 1 greater than. Okay, return false. And I, my, yes, I think I am out of for loop. Yes, return true. Let's compute. I hope it will pass all test case. Yes, case 1, case 2 done. That's it all about the optimal approach.